back to another hot day out there today with high temperatures well into the 90s to some places near 100. We maintain that pattern where we start off with sunshine and increase in the clouds later on today into the late afternoon and evening. Showers and thunderstorms made their way through. Here's a look at the high temperatures today at 99 at Scottsbluff, Alliance 102 at Chadron. Even though Chadron did have less humidity, that dry air does warm up a lot quicker. A lot cooler as you make your way out toward Kimball with a high of only 88 degrees. Here's a look at the current temperatures out there. Mid-70s at Scottsbluff and Bridgeport, 73, Hemingford and Alliance. Chadron is still at 84 and Oshkosh at 77 degrees right now. Winds have flipped around from a southeasterly direction to more of a northwesterly flow. You can see where the frontal boundary is right here. Wind speeds in most places 10 to 20 miles per hour. Now, as we make our way through the evening, we have been tracking some showers and thunderstorms. They've really been weakening, but still around. Some sprinkles out toward Alliance, Bridgeport, Dalton, even Sydney could pick up some rain showers before they continue to move off to the east and dissipate. Behind it, we do have that cooler northwesterly wind, and we are starting to have a decrease in the clouds. So here's a look at the radar across the country. There's that high pressure system over the Gulf of Mexico. We have that direct flow from there all the way to central Nebraska, a little more under the influence of this cold front back here for us in the Panhandle in southeastern Wyoming. So a lot less humidity than most places, especially off to our south where it is extremely humid. We get these disturbances making their way through every once in a while that do spark off some showers and thunderstorms, especially into the evening, but more high pressure is on the way, so we'll expect more of the same. We'll clear out during the overnight, temperatures falling into the low to mid 60s. Then for the day tomorrow, slight increase in the clouds, highs in the upper 90s before some showers and thunderstorms move through into the afternoon and evening. Most of this activity, once again, will be pretty isolated, and more of the same on Friday. Starting off in the low 60s, mainly clear, a slight increase in the clouds, still hot. Highs for Friday only into the lower 90s, but there's your isolated storm chance making its way into the evening. We'll keep a marginal risk of severe weather. 1 and 2 storms could be severe, even though it will be isolated. If they do develop, could produce some hail, gusty winds. Now, let's take a look at the temperature outlook. This is for the first week of August now, and we look to have the hottest air move off to the east. We are normal to just slightly above normal temperatures in our viewing area. Average high is about to fall back into the upper 80s. We start to fall. And then for precipitation, looks like we are going to keep those thunderstorm chances even into the first week of August, which is typically a dry spell. Most of the moisture you'd expect to be off to our north. So it looks like we could continue to pick up more moisture. Here's a look at that jet stream. So there's the heat dome developing off to our south and continuing to push the jet stream into the Canadian prairies, where the lows will be producing most of the severe weather as our pattern will remain hot as we make our way through the weekend and beyond. Maybe a few more moisture chances as we go through time. So there's that heat dome. The cold front not really approaching, moving to our north as more high pressure will keep us on the warm side and mainly dry side. We will only keep a 20% chance of some showers and storms all the way through Sunday. Otherwise, mostly sunny skies turning partly cloudy. Now, as for temperatures, we're into the upper 90s tomorrow, but lower 90s Friday and Saturday and mid-90s on Sunday. Moisture chances increase from 30 to 50% Monday into Wednesday of next week as temperatures fall back into the upper 80s. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. As the temperatures begin to rise, it's